Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy you are here with us today for another English speaking practice lesson. And today's lesson is going to be very special because we are doing a shadowing challenge together.
Yes, today is not only about listening. Today is about speaking, practicing, repeating, and building confidence step by step.
Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever listened to English and thought, I understand a little, but I still can't speak?
Oh, yes, that happens to so many learners. They listen to videos, podcasts, music, and lessons every day, but when it's time to speak, they freeze.
Exactly. And that's because listening alone is not enough. If you want to speak English better, you must speak, speak, and speak again.
And don't worry if you feel nervous or shy, because that is completely normal in the beginning.
That's why today we are practicing shadowing, one of the best methods to improve your English speaking naturally.
So, David, what exactly is shadowing?
Shadowing is very simple. You listen to a sentence and then you repeat it like an echo. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the feeling of the sentence.
So it's not just about understanding words, it's about training your mouth and your brain together.
Exactly. And slowly, your English starts sounding more natural, more fluent, and more confident.
And remember something important. You do not need to be perfect today.
Yes, mistakes are not bad. Mistakes mean you are learning and improving.
Every person who speaks English fluently today started as a beginner one day.
And here's another important truth. It's not about how much you study, it's about how often you practice.
5 minutes every day is much better than 1 hour once a week.
So, today, we are going to practice together with simple and powerful English sentences.
Your job is easy. Listen carefully and repeat after us, out loud.
Yes, even if it feels strange at first, use your voice and speak with confidence.
All right, let's warm up your English muscles together.
I am learning English.
Repeat after me. I am learning English.
Very good. Now again with confidence. I am learning English.
Excellent. Let's continue.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
Repeat. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
This is a powerful sentence because mistakes help us grow.
Don't hide from mistakes. Learn from them.
I understand more English every day.
Repeat. I understand more English every day.
Maybe you don't notice your progress immediately, but little by little you are improving.
Yes, every day your brain learns something new.
I feel proud of my progress.
Repeat. I feel proud of my progress.
Even small progress matters.
A few new words every day become big improvement over time.
I enjoy learning English.
Repeat. I enjoy learning English.
Learning becomes easier when you enjoy the process.
Yes, English should feel exciting, not stressful.
I listen carefully.
Repeat. I listen carefully.
Listening carefully helps your pronunciation improve faster.
Listen to the rhythm and music of the sentence.
I speak slowly and clearly.
Repeat. I speak slowly and clearly.
You do not need to speak fast to sound good.
Clear English is better than fast English.
I try every day.
Repeat. I try every day.
Consistency changes everything.
Small effort every day creates big results later.
I believe in myself.
Repeat. I believe in myself.
Confidence is very important when learning a language.
Believe that you can improve because you truly can.
I trust my journey even if it is slow.
Repeat. I trust my journey, even if it is slow.
Learning English is not a race.
Everyone learns at a different speed, and that is okay.
Great job! You already completed 10 sentences together with us.
And now, let's make things a little more interesting with slightly longer sentences.
My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow.
Repeat. My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow.
Every practice session is building your future English.
Your future fluency starts with today's effort.
I am not giving up. I am growing.
Repeat. I am not giving up. I am growing.
Sometimes progress feels slow, but growth is still happening.
Keep moving forward step by step.
My journey is beautiful, even if it is slow.
Repeat. My journey is beautiful, even if it is slow.
Be patient with yourself.
Progress takes time, and that is normal.
I speak English to express, not to be perfect.
Repeat. I speak English to express, not to be perfect.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Speak bravely, even if your grammar is not perfect.
I am building my confidence one word at a time.
Repeat. I am building my confidence one word at a time.
One word becomes one sentence, and one sentence becomes real conversation.
Little by little, your confidence becomes stronger.
Speaking out loud helps me improve faster.
Repeat. Speaking out loud helps me improve faster.
Silent learning is not enough.
Use your voice and train your speaking muscles.
Every mistake helps me learn something new.
Repeat. Every mistake helps me learn something new.
Mistakes are teachers, not enemies.
Every mistake shows you what to improve next.
Every day I am becoming more confident in English.
Repeat. Every day I am becoming more confident in English.
Confidence grows with practice.
The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
English is not hard, it's just new.
Repeat. English is not hard, it is just new.
New things always feel difficult at first.
But with practice, they become familiar and comfortable.
This is just the beginning of my English success.
Repeat. This is just the beginning of my English success.
Imagine how good your English will become if you continue practicing every day.
Your future self will thank you for not giving up today.
Amazing job today. You practiced English, you used your voice, and you showed up for yourself.
And remember, it is not about perfection. It's about practice and consistency.
Come back tomorrow and practice these sentences again.
Repeat them until they feel natural and easy.
We are really proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.